Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have two dash cams that will keep you protected on the road.
On the left, we have the Galfy 3-channel dash cam, and on the right, we have the DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top.
When it comes to dash cams, video quality is crucial.
The Galfy dash cam offers a triple-channel system with a 1080p front camera, 720p cabin inside camera, and 720p rear camera. That's like having 3 sets of eyes on the road.
Meanwhile, the DKK dash cam boasts a 170-degree wide-angle 1080 front camera and a 720p HD waterproof rear camera. Both cameras capture all 3 lanes of the road, but the Galfy takes it a step further with an additional cabin inside camera.
So for superior video quality and coverage, the Galfy takes the lead.
Driving at night can be challenging, but these dash cams have got you covered. The Galfy dash cam features an f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, ensuring clear and precise footage even in low-light conditions.
Plus, it has 4 IR lights facing the cabin, perfect for rideshare drivers working late nights. On the other hand, the DKK dash cam also boasts excellent night vision capabilities with its WDR function. It automatically adjusts the brightness of the light, capturing the road conditions even in the darkest of nights.
Both cameras perform well, but the Galfy's additional IR lights give it the edge in this category. Now let's talk about the extra bells and whistles that these dash cams offer.
The Galfy dash cam comes with a built-in gravity shock sensor, which automatically saves collision footage as protected files.
It also has a parking monitor feature that detects collisions and records a protected video, making it great for those pesky hit-and-run incidents. On the other hand, the DKK dash cam offers loop recording, meaning it continuously records and overwrites the oldest video when the SD card is full.
It also has a G sensor that automatically locks and retains videos when the car is hit.
Both cameras have their unique features, but the Galfy's additional sensors make it the winner in this category. The Galfy 3-channel dash cam and the DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD have their strengths, but the Galfy takes the lead with its triple-channel system, superior night vision, and additional features like the cabin inside camera. And that's a wrap. It's time to make our final verdict. Both the Galfy 3-channel dash cam and the DKK dash cam 1080p Full HD have their strengths, but the Galfy takes the lead with its triple-channel system, superior night vision, and additional features like the cabin inside camera. However, it's important to consider your personal needs and budget before making a decision. As always, don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals on these dash cams. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, stay safe on the road and buy smart.